In this video, we're going to take the data we collected from our intake form and push it onto the site we just created in the last step. To get started, let's add a new step and search for Duda again. And this time, we're going to be selecting the Update Content Library event from the dropdown. Next, we're going to select the site name, or alias, of the site that was just generated. If you're unsure of the site name, you can always visit the last step to see what the site alias was for the site that was just generated from our flow. We're now going to map out all the fields that are available in this view. If you look closely, you'll recognize some of these fields as they correspond to the predefined fields that exist under Business Info in the content library of our template. Zapier is going to take the data from the intake form and push it onto these fields, so it's important to match them up correctly with your form responses. I'll start by mapping out the first field, business name. You'll notice that I can click the little plus icon to the right of the field to search and select the record I wish to connect. Or I can just type out the name of the record instead. You'll want to be careful here and make sure you select the record that has the word answer in the name. Otherwise, if the record does not include the answer keyword, you might end up pulling over some other piece of data. Here's a little trick to make this process quicker. As you're mapping out these fields to your form, try adding the word answer to the end of each record. This will help you find the right match a lot faster, since it'll make the record you're looking for stand out more clearly. Quick note about images, make sure you're selecting the record that has the URL keyword in the record's name. I'm going to map all the fields, and I recommend you pause the video to map them on your end. If you're not seeing those custom business text fields or business images as fields in Zapier, then you may need to click the refresh button in Zapier to make sure those fields are brought over. You'll notice that only after I click refresh will I see those custom fields. Go ahead and map out all these fields to their corresponding form records. And when you're finished, click Continue to complete this step. When you're ready, click the Test Step button to push this data over to our site. Then head on back to your Duda editor and click Refresh to see all these fields update in real time. Please go over all the elements on your site and make sure they're properly connected. And there you have it. We have our flow ready. Now, any new response will not only generate a new site, but it will also update it with information and images that are relevant to your client's business.